Hey guys, it's your girl Khadija. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe.
My girl got diamonds on her arm, diamonds in her ear. She even wear that diamonds for a year. I'm trying to treat you special like no one did.
Do not forget to hit the subscribe button because y'all, we are so close to 10K. Like so close. So share this video and let your friends and family know to subscribe to me also. And yeah, don't forget to hit subscribe. But I also just want to give a big thank you for all the support I've been getting. Like for some of y'all, it might not be big milestones, but it's a big milestone for me because I'm still working my channel back up after leaving YouTube for like a few years. But yes, thank you for all the support that y'all been giving me. I love and appreciate every single one of y'all. Like I really mean it when I say that. I love and appreciate every single one of y'all. But yeah, y'all, enough of that. So today I'm gonna be doing a fall reset video. Basically, like y'all know, it's kind of getting into the fall season. It's still kind of hot outside, but like recently we've been having like a cold front, and it be cold every day where I live. So I feel like fall is just coming. It's coming. And we're in the month of September. Like I'm a little late actually because September been started. But yeah, some things on my to-do list. I gotta clean my room because yeah, I gotta clean my room. Don't mind the appearance of my bed right now because my sheets do have to get in the wash. So I'm going to wash them in this video too. But for right now, I have some random sheets on my bed and it's halfway off and everything. So please don't mind the appearance of my bed. I know it looks horrible, it looks bad, I know, but just I also wanted to do an ASMR, but Lord knows that is not possible in my house. So I'm gonna try. But if this didn't turn out to be an ASMR, y'all know why. Let's get into the video, y'all. So I'm about to clean my room first because that is the main thing that I need to do, the major thing that I need to do.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it, that's all I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, that's all I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it, that's all I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, that's all I'll take you there. I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, that's all I'll take you there. I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time,
Alright, y'all, so I just got done cleaning. I'm very hot. But I just got done cleaning. I cleaned my room, the kitchen, the living room. I did the living room somewhat because the living room wasn't really dirty, so I just kind of vacuumed. Y'all seen what I did. But yeah, I just got done cleaning. So my sheets are in the washer. I gotta go put them in the dryer, but I'm tired, like. So yeah, I gotta put my sheets in the dryer. But let me know if y'all like this type of content or y'all like the other type of content that I do, because this is something new. I'm trying out some new content, so let me know if y'all like this one better.
Like this, only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Like move fast, and you do what you want.